Ladies and gentlemen, we've finally made it to sunny Sydney. I've ditched the snow coat, put on the t-shirt. Not my Bullion Now one, but that's coming up soon. Next stop, Barangaroo.
Welcome, my name is Kerry Stevenson. I'm your host and chairperson for this evening. Welcome to the Australian Gold Conference, and my thanks to Michael Pepper, the team at Bullion Now, for putting this event on, because one of the things that they've always said to me is they're passionate about educating everyday Australians about why gold or precious metals should be a part of everybody's portfolio.
And in my past, I've been a banker, I've been a stockbroker, and I've learned the language.
At the moment, we sit within a market which is falling quite considerably. And I think from time to time, I think there's a great deal of confusion.
So where's our gold at? And they're like, there it is over there. And it was just sitting on the floor.
People are starting to wake up. People are starting to have these discussions. People are seeing failures of banks. They're seeing failures of our political leaders. I mean, I'm Victorian. I think people are wanting to see behind the curtain, and they're seeing not just precious metals, but physical assets that I can control as one of those things to actually protect themselves and protect their wealth. They're looking into shares, they're looking into ETFs, they're looking into physical. That's one of the reasons why we really wanted the whole spectrum out the front. One of the tenets of Bullion Now is we want that education, we want those arguments, we want people to come up to us and say, I don't agree, this is why.
Yeah.
And so we can, you know, the old iron sharpens iron. We can have that argument, we can have that discussion, and we can all have that education, and we can start backing ourselves, taking control of our finances, and actually not just being led along by the nose.